Welcome to the final lecture of this course, where we will focus on the final steps in preparing your comprehensive sustainability strategy. Throughout the course, we've explored various leadership models, governance principles, and sustainability frameworks like CSR, ESG, and TBL. Now, it's time to bring all of those elements together into a cohesive, forward-thinking strategy that can guide long-term business success. Let's begin by revisiting the key components of a sustainability strategy. First, it's important to incorporate the right frameworks like CSR, ESG, and TBL, which provide a structured way to address environmental, social, and governance factors. These frameworks must not operate in silos. Instead, they should be integrated into a single strategy that supports both profitability and responsible leadership. Think back to week 2, where we explored the role of leadership in driving sustainability initiatives. Ethical and transformational leadership are essential in guiding these frameworks toward long-term goals. Ethical leaders ensure that decisions are made with integrity and transparency, while transformational leaders inspire and motivate teams to embrace sustainability as a core value of the business. Together, these leadership qualities provide a foundation for integrating governance and sustainability into a strategy. Governance is another critical component of your sustainability strategy. Strong governance ensures that your strategy is transparent, accountable, and adaptable to changing conditions. In week 3, we explored how corporate governance, through board structures and leadership practices, ensures that sustainability goals are not just set but sustained over time. A governance structure must ensure that stakeholder interests are considered at every level. This requires a long-term vision that balances the needs of the environment, society, and the business. When preparing your final project, make sure to integrate these elements. For example, a CSR-based initiative could involve a company reducing its carbon footprint while also engaging the local community in environmental education. An ESG strategy might focus on improving board diversity, ensuring responsible supply chain practices, or reducing water consumption. A TBL-based approach would make sure that your strategy benefits people, planet, and profit all equally. The key is to create a strategy that doesn't just meet today's challenges, but prepares your organization for future sustainability demands. Keep in mind that sustainability frameworks are dynamic and will need to evolve with changing societal expectations and environmental regulations. That's why your strategy should also include a review mechanism, a system that allows you to track progress, gather stakeholder feedback, and adjust your approach over time. This reflects what we discussed in week 3 about the importance of continuous improvement. A static strategy is likely to fail. An adaptable one has a much greater chance of long-term success. Lastly, as you finalize your project, consider how your leadership approach will guide the ethical implementation of your strategy. This is where the principles of Freeman's stakeholder theory, 1984, come into play. Remember that every decision made in your strategy affects a wide range of stakeholders, from employees and customers to the communities in which your company operates. Ethical leadership ensures that all of these perspectives are respected and addressed in a way that supports both sustainability and profitability. As you move forward with your final project, reflect on how you can align leadership, governance, and sustainability frameworks to create a strategy that is not only comprehensive, but also resilient and adaptable. Your sustainability strategy should position your company to meet today's challenges while also preparing for the future of responsible management. Thank you for watching this final lecture. Best of luck with your final project, and remember that responsible leadership is at the heart of creating a sustainable future.